Doing well with money has little to do with how smart you are, and a lot to do with how you behave. Money can feel confusing. Some people earn a lot, but still feel stressed. Earn less, but feel calm and safe. Study numbers for years, yet still make poor money choices. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel explains why this can happen. The book says money is not only about math, it is also about feelings, habits, family stories, fear, hope, pride, and patience. People do not all see money the same way. A person who grew up with very little money may see risk one way. A person who grew up during good times may see risk another way. The book explains that people act from what they have seen and lived through. That is why two smart people can make very different money choices. One may save a lot. One may spend more. One may fear the stock market. One may trust it. The book's main message is that good money choices often come from good behavior over a long time. In this video, Chapter Clarity explains the book in an easy-to-understand way. It does not replace the book. The full book or audiobook may be found through the links in the description. The Psychology of Money is a personal finance book. Personal finance means how people use, save, spend, and think about money. This book is different from many money books. It does not only teach formulas or talk about charts, it looks at how people behave. Morgan Housel says, "No one is crazy with money." That does not mean every choice is wise. It means people make choices based on their own life. A child who watched parents struggle may grow up wanting safety. A child who watched a business grow may grow up more open to risk. A person who lost money may be careful for years. A person who got lucky early may feel too sure. The book asks readers to understand that money choices have stories behind them. Sometimes people succeed because they worked hard, or fail because they made mistakes. Sometimes they had good timing or bad timing. The book teaches readers not to judge too quickly. Money is personal. The way people handle it often comes from deeper places than numbers. The first main idea is that behavior matters more than being brilliant. A person does not need to be a genius to handle money well. They need patience, self-control, and the ability to keep going when things feel boring or scary. The book says wealth can grow when people make steady choices over time. Saving a little may not look exciting. Avoiding bad debt may not look exciting. Waiting may not look exciting. Yet, these plain choices can be powerful. The book also warns that being smart does not protect a person from poor behavior. A smart person can still panic, spend too much, try to impress others, or take risks they do not understand. Money success is not only about knowing what to do, it is also about actually doing it. The second main idea is that saving gives people freedom. Housel says one of the greatest forms of wealth is control over your time. Money can buy things and choices. A person with savings may have more room to breathe. They may be able to leave a bad job, handle a surprise bill, or wait for a better chance. The book explains that freedom is often more valuable than looking rich. Looking rich means having things people can see. A fancy car, expensive trips. Real wealth is often hidden. It may be money saved, debt avoided, or quiet choices no one claps for. A person may look rich and still be under pressure. Another person may look plain and have strong savings. The book teaches readers not to confuse spending with wealth. The third main idea is that time is a powerful helper. The book talks about compounding. Compounding means growth builds on past growth. A small amount can become much larger if it has enough time. This is why patience matters. Many people want quick results and money to grow fast. They may jump from one plan to another, chase what looks hot, or give up when things move slowly. The book explains that long-term thinking can be a quiet strength. Time can help good choices grow. Time can also reveal who had a strong plan and who only had good luck for a while. The book uses the story of Warren Buffett as an example. His wealth did not only come from being a good investor, it also came from investing for a very long time. The fourth main idea is that people need room for error, which means leaving space for things to go wrong. Life does not always follow a neat plan. Cars break. People get sick. A money plan that only works when everything goes perfectly is weak. A safer plan has extra space like savings, lower debt, not spending every dollar, or not taking a risk that could ruin everything. The book says people should plan for surprise because surprise is part of life. This is not meant to scare readers. It is meant to make them calm and ready. One well-known idea from the book is that wealth is what you do not see. The car someone did not buy, the money someone did not spend. These hidden choices may not get attention, but they can build strength. Here's an example. Imagine two people get the same amount of money. One person spends it right away to look successful. The other person saves some of it and lives a little below what they can afford. At first, the spender may look richer. Years later, the saver may have more peace. The saver may have more choices and control over their time. The book does not say people should never enjoy money. It says money can be used with care. People can enjoy life and still save. People can buy nice things and still think ahead. A peaceful life with money is not about being perfect. It is about making more helpful choices than harmful ones. The Psychology of Money is about how people think and act with money. It teaches that money is not just math, but also behavior. The biggest takeaways are: good money habits can matter more than being very smart. Saving can give people freedom and choices. Time can help money grow when people are patient. And every money plan needs room for things to go wrong. This book does not promise quick riches or say one plan fits every person. It asks readers to understand their own money behavior, be careful with risk, and value freedom more than showing off. To wrap up, the book suggests that money should help life feel safer, not only look bigger. Wealth is often built through patience, simple habits, and quiet choices that add up over time.